Pump up the volume for optimal enjoyment. Dog. Dog. The dog lives at home. The dog wags its tail when it's happy. The dog likes to eat meat. Cat. The cat lives in the house. The cat likes to drink milk. The cat has soft fur. Mouse. The mouse eats cheese. The mouse has a long tail. The mouse is a rodent. Canary. The male canary sings. The canary is usually yellow. The canary eats seeds. Rabbit. The rabbit is very fast. The rabbit eats carrots. The rabbit has 2 long ears. Snail. The snail moves slowly. The snail has a shell that protects it. The snail has 2 antennas that guide it. Iguana. The iguana is green. The iguana lives in humid places. The iguana lives in the trees. Parrot. The parrot is a very intellectual bird. The parrot can imitate a human's voice. The parrot is green. Frog. The frog moves by jumping. The frog has sticky skin. The frog lives in humid climates. Turtle. The turtle has a very hard shell. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle eats vegetables. Cow. The cow eats grass. The cow has a long tongue. Horse. The horse lives in the field. The horse can weigh up to 550 kilograms. The horse eats grass. The pig eats all kinds of food. The pig cannot bend his neck upward. The pig is a heavy animal. Chicken. The hen lays eggs. The hen lives in the farm. The hen doesn't fly. Sheep. The sheep's skin is covered in wool. The sheep live in groups. The sheep eats grass. Pigeon. The pigeon flies very fast. The pigeon symbolizes peace. The pigeon has very well-developed eyesight. Rooster. The rooster sings at daybreak. The rooster lives with the hens. The rooster is larger than the hen. Peacock. The peacock has large colored feathers. The peacock can fly short distances. The peacock eats seeds and fruit. Chick. The chicken is the baby hen. The chicken is born from an egg. The little chicken is yellow. Duckling. The little duck is yellow. The duck is an aquatic bird. The duckling is very curious. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion has a long mane. The lion eats meat. Elephant. The elephant is the largest animal in the jungle. The elephant has very large ears and a long trunk. The elephant's brain can weigh up to 5 kilograms. Monkey. The monkey lives in the trees. The monkey is a very intelligent animal. The monkey has a great ability to jump. Bear. The bear is a big animal. The bear eats fruits and roots from trees. The bear can run fast if it needs to. Tiger. The tiger has brown skin and spots. The tiger eats meat. The tiger is the largest feline in the world. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in the water. The crocodile has very hard skin. The crocodile can live up to 80 years. Hippo. The hippopotamus lives in the water most of the time. The hippopotamus grows throughout its whole life. The hippopotamus has a huge mouth. Giraffe. The giraffe has a very long neck. The giraffe eats leaves. The giraffe is yellow with spots. Gorilla. The gorilla is part of the ape family. The gorilla moves around on 4 legs. The gorilla is very strong. Snake. The snake has a long body and no legs. The snake can move very fast. The snake changes its skin when it grows. Seahorse. The male seahorse can have children. The seahorse is a type of fish with tough skin. The seahorse swims by keeping its body in a vertical position. Crab. The crab has many legs and 2 claws. The crab is a funny animal to look at, as it moves very quickly. The crab has a hard shell. Dolphin. The dolphin is a very intelligent and funny animal that lives in the sea. The dolphins can jump on the outside of the sea. The dolphin swims at high speeds. Swordfish. The swordfish is a large fish with a great tip on its head. The swordfish loses all of its teeth when it's an adult. The swordfish uses its tip to hunt in the sea. Starfish. The starfish is a strange animal that lives in the sea and is star-shaped. The starfish can be of different colors. The starfish looks like a plant, but it's an animal. Blowfish. The blowfish swells by drinking water or air when it's attacked. The blowfish is highly toxic to almost any animal that eats it. The blowfish is blue. Octopus. The octopus is an animal that lives in the sea and has 8 arms. The octopus has a very sticky skin. The octopus has 3 hearts. Stingray. Stingray. The stingray usually lives near the coast. The stingray tends to blend with the sand. Shark. The shark is a very big and strong animal that lives in the sea. The shark has a flap on top of it. The shark has many big and sharp teeth in his mouth. Sea turtle. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell.